Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to write our words on dinosaurs. So I'm going to give you a word and I want you to tell me the sounds in the word. The first word is brag. What sounds do you hear? B, R, A, G. Brag. So let's write brag. B, R, A, G. Good. Our next word is crib. I, B. Crib. I, B. Next one is drip. What sounds do you hear? D, I, P. Let's write it. D, I, P. Drip. Our next word is drum. D, I, M. Drum. The next word is grab. Pop up the sounds in the word grab. G, R, A, B. Let's write it. G, R, A, B. And the next word is crop. K, R, A, P. K, R, A, P. Two more. The next one is trap. T, R, A, P. Trap. And the last one is brim. Pop up the sounds in brim. B, R, I, M. Brim. Let's try writing it. Brim. Good. And then you can color your dinosaurs when you're done. But first we need to turn it over on the back page and look at what we're doing here. So we're doing some more words where we're going to sort them. So first let's find our BR words and we're going to color them the first color like this. And then we'll find our second color and color the GR words like this. And then we'll go to our third color and do the TR words like this. And then once you get them colored, I want you to write them in their right colors underneath. So good work today, boys and girls. Go ahead and finish the back side and let your teacher know when you're done.